Hey everyone, welcome back. Quick story: when I first started building websites in 2016, I wasted months overpaying for hosting simply because I didn't know how to stack discounts. Today I'm going to save you that headache with Hostinger. After 8 plus years as a Hostinger customer, I can tell you there are two ways to save money on this platform. First, there's the coupon code route, quick and easy, but it only shaves off around 10%. Then there's the referral code method, and this is the one that actually moves the needle, an extra 20% stacked on top of whatever promotional pricing is already running. I've dropped the referral link in the description and pinned comment, sorted by country, so you land on your local currency and pricing. Once you're on the Hostinger site, head to the navigation bar and click products or services. You'll see their full catalog: hosting plans, business email, website builder. For today's walkthrough, I am clicking into VPS hosting and selecting the KVM2 plan. On the checkout screen, that 20% extra discount is automatically applied. One tip that makes a real difference: use a fresh email address. If you've registered with Hostinger before, a new account ensures the referral discount fires correctly. Drop your questions in the comments, smash the like button if this saved you money, and subscribe to the channel for more deals exactly like this one.